Hey, welcome back to SA Live. That woman is watching. You should be too. We're here every day. She keeps watching. I think she's watching me now. We're at Market Square, and we are celebrating the fall season, and that can mean sugary treats, and it can also mean you got to look out for not only little kids, but little pets and people that have
exactly
four legs because they want to get into stuff.
Yes.
And we're going to talk about candy for your canine, and Dr. Michael Mixon is here. We call him Dr. Doolittle.
That's me.
No, we don't. He is from the Texas Veterinary Hospital. And candy, and this is little Hope, and Hope doesn't need candy, does she?
No, she does not need candy. She needs a new home, actually.
She's looking for a home.
She wants a new Christmas home, basically, or a Halloween home. And she's 7 years old, and she's a terrier mix. And she, they suspect she kind of came from one of those puppy mills, and so she had to work hard for the first few years of her life, but now she's
ready for retirement.
She's ready for retirement.
She's a forever home.
She's a forever home. She's super sweet. She loves people, loves other dogs, and so she'd make a great addition.
Where can we find her?
Over at the Humane or Animal Defense League.
ADL?
ADL.
All right. And so let's talk about candy now, because as a vet, you see everything.
We see it all.
So from wrappers to chocolate to nuts to the people food is for people.
Exactly. And especially at Halloween, we have issues because people, they have their big bags of candies, bowls of candy is sitting out, and most dogs' noses can find that candy. And if you have a lab, anybody who owns a lab knows for sure that they eat anything and everything.
It's like a goat.
Like a goat, exactly. And so wrappers are no problem for them. They eat the bags, the wrappers, the candy, and enjoy it all. However, you can have some issues with that.
Well, and you may not know until it's too late. So what are some of the symptoms if the puppies or kitty cats have been trick-or-treating without us?
Well, for the most part, you're going to see vomiting and diarrhea. That's going to be the first signs. And
I know it's not pleasant. It's not. It's not good at all.
We weren't referring to her.
No, I know. We're going to get you a treat in a minute.
Yeah, so vomiting and diarrhea is the big thing. And some of the candies that have artificial sugar in there can cause some other abnormalities where they might seem depressed and really lethargic because they have really low blood sugar because the fake sugar tricks their body.
Oh.
And they don't know what to do with that. Then they can potentially run into liver failure too. So those are really nasty potentially. So the sugar-free, you think for humans is kind of a better deal, but it's not so much for dogs.
Well, it's not good for anybody probably. But, you know, and their little personalities change too, and they don't feel good.
Exactly.
So that's the main thing. It's just like a kid.
That's exactly.
Just like a grown-up. You know, if you don't feel well, you don't act like yourself.
That's exactly right. So we want them feeling nice and happy, and when they're off, you know something's wrong, especially if you see the wrappers on the floor.
Yeah, under your bed.
Under your bed.
Yes, our puppy ate a Twix the other day, and it was like, no, Banjo, why would you do that?
I know.
So stay in this room.
That's exactly right.
All right, so what other services can you offer folks? Because I know you have a way to take care of every four-legged member of the family.
You're right.
Or any other animal, right?
Basically, we can do everything from puppy shots and kitten vaccines all the way up to major surgeries, you know, some orthopedic work, in any kind of internal medicine case. We can take care of most of that. And so dental disease, the whole work. So whatever we can do.
This is my personal veterinarian. And I'll be coming in for shots this week.
You sure will. We'll keep that tail wagging.
Yeah, we will. Life is not rough when you head over to TexasVeterinarianHospitals.com. They're also at the end of that phone you have at 210-349-2121. Texas Veterinarian Hospitals. Remember them next time Rover lays over and needs some attention. I'm making this up.
You're awesome.
I need shots. I know.
I think you get a Nobel Prize for this.
Thank you. I'll just take a biscuit. Coming up, I'm going to show you the different types of pumpkins. You may not